set out to bring a new level of engineering and craftsmanship to the bicycle bell. Our goal was simple: create a compact, versatile bell with powerful sound. The bell design process started with crafting the perfect dome. For this, we worked with Bevan Brothers in Connecticut, a company with over 100 years experience in the art of crafting bells. Together, we've developed a dome that is compact, but with an unexpectedly loud and lasting ring. No bell is complete without a proper hammer. We've crafted an elegantly simple wire lever We wanted a bell that would mount to any handlebar. This meant engineering an entirely new mounting system. All components come together to create a thoroughly better bell.
Kickstarter helped us launch Grip Rings last year. Now we'd like your backing to get bell production going.